to find purpose in life, be productive and successful, and to attract a life of health, wealth and joy. Hi, this is your Red Pilgrim with the Reiki Healing Art Meditation to find your life purpose. So let us begin the Healing Art Meditation. Thank you so much for connecting with me. This is your Red Pilgrim wishing you all the best. Bye-bye. Take care. Only those the universe chooses find me. Thank you so much.